Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So let's see. Page of Pentacles and the Tower card. Ooh. Two of Pentacles, the Sun, Wheel of Fortune, Page of Cups, Two of Swords, Seven of Cups. Bottom card natin, King of Wands. So, may mga malilito ngayon sa magjo-juggling, magdadalawang isip. And, matinding decision making itong gagawin mo dito. Dahil marami kang mga options. Pero make sure na tama yung kukunin mo para hindi ka magsisi sa huli. At hindi bumagsak itong mga nasimulan mo na. So, tingnan natin sa signs and symbol cards. We have the teddy bear, money, doll, scissors, tarot cards, mask, and coins. So, bottom card, oops, nagulo. So, medyo chaotic itong tower, indala ng tower card na to. So, ang naging bottom card natin, traffic lights. So, get ready. Maaaring isa na ito sa effect ng pagpapalit ng placement ng ating Pluto. Ayan, kasi maraming pagbabago mangyayari. And ito kailangan mo lang talaga ng matinding decision making dito kasi maraming mag-juggling, undecided. Malaking part dito is regarding sa pera, finances. So, huwag ka muna maglalabas ng malalaking pera ngayon. Maaaring hindi bumalik sa'yo 100% itong mga i-invest mo. So, tingnan natin. And kung sa love life naman, maaaring may mga matrap sa isang karmic relationship or maging lesson na ito na test ng universe kung natuto ka na, and then may mga matatarap na naman. Never-ending karmic cycles. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. I feel you leaving me behind. I look for you everywhere. I know I messed up everything. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I lost myself for a little while. I couldn't let you get close to me. It was my fault, but I blamed you. So, maring up tong karmic na ito, muli magbabalik na naman para manipulahin ka. So, this person is a manipulative person. Tatago siya sa likod ng maskarang ito. So, matagal na kayong walang communication, cut off communication na kayo. And this person is really a manipulative person. Yung mga pinapakita niya sa'yo, it's not true. Ayan, so wag ka nang papayag na manipulahin ka ulit ng taong to. So, tingnan natin. I want solid foundations. Kasi kung tatanggapin mo ulit itong taong ito, itong solid foundations na to, guguho talaga yan with this Tower card. Feeling left out in the cold, being defensive, I can't decide. So, ito ka eh. Marami sa inyo undecided. So, kailangan nyo lang piliin yung the right path for you. Right decision. Giving up. I need to achieve my goals. It's a disaster. Kasi once na magkamali ka, ayan, disaster talaga yung mangyayari. Money is important. I want commitment. So, marami sa inyo itetest ng universe ngayon kung natuto na ba kayo sa mga lessons. IR, Y, maring incident report, may mga incident report na mangyayari. Letter Z, M, U, F, V, L, P, bottom card is K. Reminiscing, true love, and regret. Okay. So, may mga regrets from this person. So, tingnan natin. Claircognizance by Archangel Uriel. Pay attention to thoughts and ideas that come to you as they are. Answered prayers. Ayan. May mga answered prayers na paparating. Pay attention sa mga ideas mo, thoughts na maiisip mo. Maring yun na yun yung sagot dito sa mga suliranin mo, itong mga options mo para makapag-desisyon. Weird. So, marami kang weird experiences na mararamdaman ngayon. Weird feelings. Full of charisma. Rainy season. February. Aries. Luzon. South PH. Coins, Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Attractive, athletic. Chaser. Gemini, quiet person. Killer smile. One. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Selfieholic. Taurus. Creepy stalker. September. Patience, please. May, April, December. Future lover, and March. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.